There are people in my house, so I'm hiding in my room and I'm gonna build a tent. Okay. I laid the floor down.
Now I'm doing the pegs.
Now we do the clips.
Now I do the pretty blue rain fly.
It's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take it down now. Goodbye.